You can't get ready for this. XRP Ripple is almost ready to make a big step forward. The AI thinks that Ripple will win its case against the SEC. That's pretty cool, right? But things get even more interesting because Wall Street thinks XRP Ripple could go up to $8,000 or even more. You really can't miss that movie. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Note that XRP Ripple has been in the middle of a court storm that could change its future, and maybe even the whole world of cryptocurrencies. The long-running court case between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission has shook the market for more than 3.5 years and brought up important questions about how cryptocurrency transfers work. The CC says that Ripple's sale of XRP tokens was an unreported securities transaction, which is what this case is all about. Not only for Ripple, but also for the whole crypto market, the result of this lawsuit is very important because a favorable decision could make XRP much more valuable, which could push its price to $1 or higher. Fred Rispoli, an American lawyer, recently said that the case might be over by the end of July, with Ripple facing a fine of no more than $25 million and no money back. This prediction matches what the AI-powered robot ChatGPT said when it said that a win for Ripple would probably cause XRP's price to go up a lot. This view is supported by examples from the past. And for instance, the price of XRP went up by over 80% when Judge Analyst said that Ripple's sales of XRP to regular people were not the same as selling stocks. How bad the possible punishment could be a big point of disagreement has been what problems Ripple might face. At first, the SEC wanted a huge $2 billion fine. Ripple replied that the amount should be limited to $10 million. After a lot of back and forth, the SEC dropped its claim to $102.6 million. Recently, Ripple's defense got stronger with a notice of supplemental authority that mentioned a ruling about the cryptocurrency exchange Binance. Judge Amy Jackson threw out the SEC's claims about the sales of BNB tokens on secondary markets, which gave Ripple more legal support. Michael Kellogg, Ripple's lawyer, has said that the alleged illegal sales of XRP do not deserve the harsh punishments the SEC is seeking. Even though there is hope that things will go well for Ripple, the legal process is still complicated and delays are possible. ChatGPT said that the settlement might take longer than expected, which shows how complicated changes to regulations can be. That's not all of this case is about. In terms of securities rules, it's about setting a big example for how digital assets should be regulated. If the judge rules in favor of Ripple, the value of XRP could go up by a lot. Making it clearer what the rules are in the crypto area is very important. Now, let's look at what crypto experts have to say about Ripple's future. I promise you that you won't believe how much growth they think is possible. You can't miss this inside information. Prepare yourself because what's coming next will amaze you. Jack the Rippler, a crypto influencer, has been tweeting about his positive attitude. Many people who own XRP agree with this strong statement. They have stuck with their investments despite the instability. People who believe in XRP's long-term promise are shown by Jack the Rippler's rallying cry, just leave a like if you didn't sell a single XRP. XRP's possibilities are really exciting, not just a bunch of hype. Analyst recently made a crazy guess. XRP could go up in value by 710 times what it is now. It could go as high as $3.05. Based on a close study of TradingView's candlestick patterns, this prediction says that XRP could be about to have a huge bull rise. Ash's study of XRP's monthly candlestick patterns shows a sign of a rising trend. These patterns are eerily similar to trends that happened before big price jumps in the past. Even though XRP recently fell to 39 cents and then slowly rose to 42 cents, the expert thinks this might be the calm before the storm. He compares it to times in the past when XRP went through long periods of decline and then came back with huge gains. Data from the past supports this positive view. In 2014 and 2015, XRP's value dropped to less than a cent. It then rose to 2 cents, which is a 10x rise. A similar trend showed up from 2016 to 2017, and it reached its peak of almost $4 in January 2018. During that time, the price of XRP jumped by an amazing 75,000%. Based on Ash's analysis of the current chart, it looks like XRP is forming another symmetrical triangle on the monthly time frame. This pattern is similar to those seen during past bullish cycles. He sees a series of planned rises, starting with jumps to $1.20 and $2 and then to $6 and $16 and $16. Eventually, he wants to reach the crazy goal of $305 by 2026. If this statement comes true, the price of XRP would have gone up by an amazing 71,061%. There is a lot of excitement about what XRP could do, and some predictions are even more positive. A shocking Wall Street statement from Jack the Rippler was that XRP would ripple to $8.33. This may seem impossible, but it fits the speculative fervor and positive outlook that a lot of people in the crypto community have. As people who own XRP and people who follow the market wait for the final decision in the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit, the chance to make a lot of money looms big. What happens in this case could set a standard for the whole cryptocurrency market and change how digital assets are traded and controlled. Many people are betting that XRP's next move could indeed make those who have hung on through thick and thin millionaires. For now, the crypto world is still on edge. Now let's talk about how XRP Ripple coin can be used. Behind the scenes, something amazing is going on. The world is going crazy over our favorite cryptocurrency's cutting-edge technology. This is a huge sign that prices will go up. It's impossible to miss. The fact that Jack the Rippler tweeted that Ripple was testing its services with NASDAQ shows that cryptocurrencies are becoming more and more integrated into standard financial systems. The NASDAQ, which is known as the busiest place to trade stocks in the US, is a key partner that could lead to more institutional acceptance and credibility for XRP. Locked, Brad Garninghouse's latest comments about Barbie at the Paris Block Week make the point even stronger that XRP is regulated in a clear way, which sets it apart from many other cryptocurrencies. In the United States, there are only two cryptocurrencies that have clear regulations, Bitcoin, and because of the fight we had in the courts, Garninghouse said, the government has made it clear that XRP is not a bond. This legal certainty changes everything and gives investors and people who already own XRP peace of mind. XRP Ripple is one of a kind because it focuses on solving real-world problems in the financial field. Bitcoin is meant to be a decentralized digital currency. XRP, on the other hand, is meant to be a bridge currency that makes it easy to send money across borders quickly and cheaply. In this use case, XRP shows itself as a useful way to fix problems with current payment methods that make transactions take days and cost a lot of money. It's very important for people who own XRP that regulations are clear. The legal fights with the SEC have been a cloud over the price of XRP and the mood of the market for years. XRP's future is looking more and more bright, though, as recent events like fewer fines and legal victories point to a possible positive result. The tests of the partnership with NASDAQ and Garninghouse's words about making rules clear are both good signs for XRP. Not only do these changes show that standard financial institutions are becoming more open to them, but they also point to possible future uses that could increase demand and adoption. As XRP continues to get around regulatory problems and find new uses, people in the cryptocurrency community are keeping a close eye out for signs of more integration and market effect. In conclusion, XRP Ripple is at a turning point that could change the way we think about and use cryptocurrencies in the global economy. With its unique technological strengths, strategic partnerships, and clear rules, XRP has the ability to not only change the way money is transferred, but also make it even more of a foundation for the digital economy. As events happen and partnerships get stronger, XRP's path looks like it will be full of new ideas, changes, and maybe even big rewards for people who keep and support it. And now the only question is, what do you think about that? What do you think about the XRP Ripple token? What do you think will happen? Please tell me in the comments. Would be interested to know. This video has now come to an end. Thanks for seeing it. Thank you for reading. If you liked it, please click the like button. Leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and most importantly, don't forget to follow.